Cryptography is the practice of securing information by transforming it into an unreadable format that can only be decoded with a key or password. It is used to protect sensitive data during transmission and storage, such as passwords, credit card numbers, and other private information. Cryptography can be implemented using various techniques, including symmetric key encryption, public key encryption, and hashing. Cryptanalysis is the process of analyzing cryptographic systems in order to break their security and reveal the information that they are protecting. It involves various techniques, such as brute force attacks, frequency analysis, and side-channel attacks, to exploit weaknesses in the cryptographic algorithms or implementations. RC4 is a symmetric key-streamed cipher that was widely used in the past for securing data in various applications, including wireless networks, secure sockets layer, SSL, and virtual private networks, VPN. However, due to security vulnerabilities discovered in RC4, it is no longer considered a secure encryption algorithm and should not be used for new cryptographic implementations. CrypTool is an open-source software tool that provides a platform for learning and experimenting with various cryptographic techniques and algorithms. It is used by cryptography enthusiasts, researchers, and students to explore the principles and applications of cryptography, cryptanalysis, and steganography. CrypTool offers a user-friendly interface for performing various cryptographic operations, including encryption, decryption, hashing, and key exchange, and provides visualizations and explanations of the underlying concepts. It also supports various cryptographic algorithms and standards, including RSA, AES, and SHA, among others.